All right, so here we have a Turnbull Elevator. I don't have original prints, but the photocopies date it as 49. So she's old, pretty dirty little unit, right? Turnbull, Westinghouse, 20 horsepower motor. We got double brakes here. I don't know what the capacity is off the top of my head. We'll check that in the car downstairs when I show you. These are funky brakes. They're like older ones, right? It has that. Oh, it's weird. They're not sealed here anywhere because those are after Cat 5s, the brake slide tag. It's not too bad. Here's the old controller. I have shown pictures of this on Instagram before. It is set up with controller up and down. With the overload and stuff, you also have like a over travel cutout, right? So you can like come up above the floor and then coming up here without having to do anything crazy. You just flip the switch and you can run it down. The old carbon and paddle relays. I do have some new ones of these, but I'm not going to be changing these out, being that it's Friday afternoon. They're not too bad, right? You just gotta watch for, you want them contacting at the same time, right? So the air gap's gotta be pretty good. I believe this here is gonna be for how it kicks out. I'm not 100% sure on that. But you got like your up, your down, main. I don't see the label on those ones, but here's the back of the controller. There's not a lot to it, right? I mean, it goes up. There's no car gate or anything. Decent sized motor, right? Here's the little governor. No shortage of grease on that bad boy. Rope is in pretty good shape. It has I always forget the name. Is it tiller rope safeties? The ones like a type B safety that take a couple feet to go on. But we'll go down and I'll show you the car and the pit as well. So here's the pit and the governor cable. You can see there is some rust stuff, right? Look at those old ass switches. The old disconnect in the pit. A little bit of a water problem. We've got a pit steel for both coming in soon, hopefully. And you can't really see that. Hold on. There's your tiller rope safeties. Again, you can see the water damage. But maybe 3 times a year, I'll coat that all with fluid film. That's what you can probably see on the bolts and stuff, and keeps it moving pretty good. But that's where it comes from, over where the governor would activate it. All right, here's the controls. As you can see, the heavy duty doors and the Peely locks. There's not much in the car. We'll take a quick peek up top. So as you can see, we upgraded it with the inspection station at some point in time. Here's your governor with the little ball that sits in there for the tiller rope safeties. Your locking mechanisms on either side, right? I think that's a CJ Anderson over there, and these are Peely here, if I'm not mistaken. It's a 10,000 pound capacity, pretty heavy duty. I'm sure This is probably the biggest I have, but you can see that there. Sorry for the lighting and whatnot here. It's not the easiest. But it has wooden cams in the hoistway. But there's the installation number 291. She's old. I guess that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.